Hello, everyone. Stephanie here. So, this is going to be an unboxing, an unbagging of some beads from the Bead Chest on Amazon. Okay. They have an Amazon store. A lot of their beads are listed in their Amazon shop, and I will link that in the description box as well as they have a website. Okay. It's thebeadchest.com, but I will definitely list it down in the description for you so you can go and check out these beautiful beads. Now, I purchased beads from them in the past and I loved every single thing that I got from them. Okay. So they sent me this package and I'm going to unbox it. I haven't seen what's in here. So this is going to be a surprise for me as well. Okay. So let's go ahead and open it up. I already kind of tore this part up, but it's kind of heavy. So let's go ahead and open it up. I love the bead chest. They have some of the most beautiful, unique, great quality beads I have seen from anywhere. And that's no joke, right? I'm very serious about that. Such an array of styles for whatever it is you want to make. I mean, it's just they're amazing. So let's open the smaller one first, y'all. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and open this one. Let's see what they got. Let's see. Okay. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at these. These are huge. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Those are huge beads. Oh, my goodness. Look at these. These got to be 24 size beads. Look at that. Wow. That's beautiful. Those are beautiful. These would be pretty on a necklace, y'all. Really pretty. And actually, I was going to say the holes might be big enough. I can slide these on some pins. I don't know. I'll try it. I'm going to try it and see. Wow. What these got to be 24, 26 millimeters. Okay. But look at that. All right. These are beautiful. They have all colors of these. These are the recycled glass beads. Okay. They have a lot of colors and sizes in these beads. Okay. I own some red ones and I own about 4 or 5 colors already in the smaller ones, but I don't have any this color and this size. So yeah, those are really pretty. Beautiful. Okay, so we got that one. All right. Let's go ahead and open this one. Y'all, look at this. Oh my God. You know I love me some African trade beads, don't you? Look at the strands. Look at the length of the strands. Oh my goodness. These are stunning. Look at that. They are gorgeous. Oh, I love these. Look at so beautiful. And you get all different sizes on here. These are the African trade beads. Karobo beads, I believe they call these. Okay. Beautiful colors, hand painted beads. Just gorgeous. Okay. Oh my goodness. I love that. And then what else we got here? Oh, look at this one. We got these. I believe these are bone. I will double check that and I will put it in the description, but they're wood. Oh, let me see. Looks like they're wood and bone, I think. These beautiful beads here. They might be bone, yeah. I don't know, but they're huge. So, yeah, okay. Wow. Now look at these beads. I'm going to look at these holes and see if I can get these on my pins too. That'll be something different. Otherwise, these will look great in necklaces. When you get big beads like this, you can always use them in necklaces, okay? And even some bracelets, maybe 1 or 2 in a bracelet, as a focal. But you can definitely use these in your jewelry making and anything else you want to use them, okay? So I thank the Bead Chest for sending me these beautiful beads. And you do get a lot on the strands, and they have great quality beads. Excellent selection of beads in all colors and sizes. Lots of beautiful recycled beads, the African beads, Karobos. They have bone beads. They have all kinds of findings and everything. Okay. I will list everything down description. Okay. So you can check it out for yourself. Make sure you go to Amazon and check them out. All right. And again, I thank you. I thank them for sending me these wonderful beads. All right. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave it below and I'll answer and I'll get back to you. All right. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.